All right, got a 2017 Equinox here with a P0365 code for exhaust camshaft position sensor. Consulted the YouTubes and the Google and ended up with the wrong part in the wrong location, so I figured I'd make a quick video here. So we're gonna have expert mechanic Miss Aiden over here show us how to get to it. All right, Aiden, you remember how to take all that stuff apart?
No.
Well, you gotta do it now. Off, let's go, girl. How you do it? Look at you go. How many times you worked on a car?
None.
It's your first time? Doing good. Doing good. And then you got your clamp down here. Don't forget the lower clamp. Good work. You'll be making the big bucks before you know it.
No.
Dude, what do you mean? You have the advantage that no one else has of small hands.
Okay.
Did you come to help your friend?
Sure.
You're wearing a really white hat to be working on things.
I don't really want to work on things. I just spent all day working with it.
Working on what? Pretending to be a bear?
Not today.
Wearing a bear costume?
Not today.
Singing karaoke?
Not today.
What'd you do today? You finger painted?
No, I tie-dyed.
You tie-dyed? That's what you spent all day doing?
And driving fire trucks.
They let you drive the fire truck? Shoo. They got some huevos there. Wiggle, wiggle. There you go. Now pull it straight towards you. Yep. Nice jerk. It's just two little rubber grommets on two little pegs back there. There you go. Good job. Get that out the way. Oh, you gotta pull that out. Remember? Careful. Careful. Don't break it. Come over here and show what that was. Piece 1 removed. Piece 2. Remember how to take that off?
No.
Yes, you do. Stop playing retarded.
Do I need this again?
Nope. You just take the oil cap off and pull it up. And then put the oil cap back in it. So you don't knock anything down into your engine. You're gonna have to hit the gym a little more. You quit your college volleyball and you're getting a little weak there, kid. What's going on? Here.
Yeah. Saw hands.
So other YouTube videos showed these Vanos solenoids as the camshaft position sensors, which is a complete and utter lie. So your intake side sensor is underneath with this like high pressure fuel pump here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not, but it's like up in that general vicinity. If you're getting problems with your intake side, there's two 10mm bolts here and a 10mm nut down here. So you pull this cover off, unplug this, pull this foam off, and then you can get to it easier. The exhaust side, which I'm not excited about, is much more difficult to get to, and that's the one we need to do. Let me grab this flashlight and I'll see if I can't show it. So I've already unplugged it. The plug is right here where my finger is, and it looks like this. So you pull the plastic retainer back and then depress it to pull it off. It's got one 10mm bolt holding it on. Hopefully my camera, I'm going blind. I'm gonna have to do this whole repair by feel. One 10mm bolt holds it on. You pull that out and you just wiggle her out. Make sure you oil the new O-ring. So once I get it out, I'll show you what it looks like. All right, that's what you're looking for. 10mm holds it in like that on the back side of the engine. Real easy. And you just plug it in, slap the plastic back in. We're gonna clear it out and see how she looks. All right, here we are.
Where are you going?
Didn't even have to clear it without.
Damn it!
Didn't even have to clear it. Self-cleared immediately. No more check engine light. Heck yeah, dude. Hey everybody, Shane here. Just wanted to take a quick time out to say if you're learning anything or you're enjoying the videos, please hit that like button below. It really helps get the videos out in front of more people and grow the channel. If you're liking any of the builds that we're working on, feel free to subscribe, follow along. We're always looking for ideas on what we can do with these things, so throw them in the comments section, and definitely be looking that over and communicating with anybody in there. Thanks for watching it, and enjoy the video.